if you want to format your text message on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then while sending the message, if you are trying to use the iMessage specifically, so the phone number that you are trying to send the message to should be using the iPhone, essentially, or Apple devices in general. And if you actually have the option to format text messages, then you should be able to find this A icon with lines right next to it on the right side of the keyboard. So we can tap over here, and as you can see, we have a bunch of different effects that we can use, and we can also use formatting such as making the text bold, italic. We can also add the underline or strike the text. So let me actually try to type anything. There we go, and let's, for example, add the bold option. You can make it italic as I mentioned, and there we go. And if you want to, you can use these effects as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.